Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Namrata. Today I'm gonna share with you a few very practical tips to distress and relax your body and mind. Before I go into the topic, if you are new here, please consider subscribing my channel so that you'll get notified whenever I upload new video. Whether you are dealing with small changes in your life or with a major crisis, stress has become part of our life. Here I am presenting you 5 different ways that you can try when you feel that your stress is taking toll on your physical and mental well-being. We keep on doing so many things for our family, for our house, but sometimes we feel overwhelmed and we find it really difficult to cope up with very small changes in our life. And this is where this distressing or stress management comes into picture. Of course, we cannot control the circumstances sometimes, but we can control the way we respond to it. A cup of tea or coffee can do wonders to your mood when you are stressed, but you need to be mindful and see that this is not that extra cup of caffeine that you are pushing in your body, which will ultimately dehydrate your body and will lead to more stress in long run. That you already have enough caffeine for the day, I would suggest just go for warm milk instead. When it comes to hydrating your body, just plain warm water or water infused with some herb can be helpful for lowering your stress. And make sure to have it sip by sip, which will ultimately help in melting down all your tensions and stress. If you are calorie conscious, simply go for a ginger lemon tea or green tea and you will see what magic it can do to your mood. Infusing your tea with the mint leaves or with any other herb will take it to another level, and herbs are already known for having that soothing effect on your mind. Plus, herbs provides that aroma to your drink, and research says that aromatherapy is best to distress. Keeping check on social media and browsing it again and again itself is a reason of stress many times. You really need to put yourself on digital detox. So stop using social media for a few days, or if it's really hard for you, allot a very limited time in your daily routine for social media. Even minimizing your total screen time of the day will have great effect on your stress level. Make a point to have multiple breaks when you work on your computer and step away from the screen at least half an hour before your bedtime. Take a break and go for a walk. Simply being around nature will give you that relaxation response in your body, and which is must for your body and mind too. Research says having plant in your house itself is great for your stress level. Buy yourself a plant and indulge yourself in taking care of the plant or in any kind of gardening activity. Go on decluttering your house and tidy up your space. Yes, I feel organizing your space itself is the best stress reliever. You will see post cleanup or post organizing feeling will give you a sense of accomplishment, and that itself is a best stress reliever for you. Or simply go talk to your loved one, vent out your emotions, and you'll see the difference. No one can deny that music has that profound effect on your emotions and body. Just tune into your favorite music and let your stress melt away with every bit of the music. Along with several apps which provides music streaming, you may give it a try to some meditation app which provides special soundtracks for better sleep and relaxation. If you ask for my personal favorite, you may give it a try to Calm or Sanctuation app. Both of these apps provides amazing 3D soundtracks for relaxation, which I found very useful. Self-care is the best thing that you can do when you are stressed. Get a healthy snack for you or pamper your feet in this easy food soak. Take lukewarm water and add handful of Epsom salt in it, plus some essential oils if you have. Epsom salt is known to be detoxifying and relaxing agent. I didn't have essential oil, so here I'm adding some fresh lavenders from my garden in my food soak. few more flowers just to add splash of colors in it. Soaking my feet in it. We always neglect our feet in our skincare routine. But foot soak is something you must include in your skincare routine on regular basis. Epsom salt releases magnesium. When it gets absorbed, it relaxes your muscles and nerves. Your skincare routine would be incomplete without a face pack. Go get any refreshing face pack of your choice, pamper your skin, and get your stress level lowered. Getting dressed up elegantly is something which will instantly enhance your mood. So if you are feeling low, go get your best dress, get dressed up, and rock the world. So this is all about today, guys. Bye bye and take care.